Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Downy Fresh Scent Booster Beads is probably one of the most innovative laundry products to hit the market in years, promising to elevate your fabric care routine with a burst of long-lasting freshness that goes beyond traditional detergents and softeners, ensuring your clothes, towels, and linens smell amazing for weeks on end, even after multiple washes, making everywhere a delightful sensory experience. Number 5. Downy Fresh Protect Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Tired of lingering odors in your laundry? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes smelling fresh, load after load. Infused with Febreze odor defense technology, these beads actively fight tough smells. Say goodbye to musty clothes and hello to lasting freshness. Experience the classic and comforting April Fresh scent. It's like a breath of fresh air for your entire wardrobe. Simply toss them into your washing machine before your laundry. They dissolve completely, leaving no residue behind. Enjoy up to 12 weeks of freshness, even in your closet. Your clothes will smell amazing every time you wear them. Perfect for all your fabrics, these scent boosters enhance every wash. Get ready for laundry that smells as good as it looks. What we like? This product offers advanced odor defense, making it perfect for active individuals or those dealing with tough smells. If you're looking for a scent that truly tackles odors and lasts, this is your go-to. Choose this if you need reliable freshness that stands up to any challenge. What people say. The scent lasts for a very long time, even after drying and wearing the clothes. A little goes a long way, so one bottle lasts for many washes. The beads dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue on clothes. Number 4. Downy Infusions Calm Scent Booster Beads. Transform your laundry routine into a moment of tranquility. Experience the soothing blend of lavender and vanilla bean with every wash. Infuse your fabrics with a delightful scent that lasts. Enjoy a calming aroma that lingers long after the cycle is complete. Simply toss these beads into your washing machine before adding clothes. It's an effortless way to elevate your laundry. Discover the serene combination of lavender and sweet vanilla bean. This unique scent is designed to promote relaxation. These scent boosters are safe for all washing machines, including he. Get a fresh, calming scent no matter your appliance. Elevate your clothes beyond clean with an immersive fragrance experience. It's a simple step to a more peaceful environment. What we like? Experience a tranquil laundry day with its calming lavender and vanilla bean scent. If you desire a relaxing atmosphere in your home and want your linens to promote a sense of peace, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for creating a spa-like feel in your bedroom or for anyone who loves soothing fragrances. What people say. The scent lasts for weeks, even after drying and putting clothes away. A little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts a good amount of time. The beads dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue on clothes. Number 3. Freelivity In-Wash Scent Booster Beads. Discover the revolutionary way to enhance your laundry. Our scent booster beads provide a long-lasting freshness that elevates your fabrics. Experience the delightful fresh essence scent that lingers on your clothes. It's a subtle yet invigorating aroma that makes every wear a pleasure. Enjoy up to 70 washing cycles of continuous fragrance. A little goes a long way, keeping your laundry smelling amazing for weeks. Our formula is designed with the environment and your family in mind. It's eco-friendly and safe for use around babies and kids. Beyond just scent, these beads also act as a fabric softener. They leave your clothes feeling soft and comfortable to the touch. Simply toss them into your washing machine with your clothes. They dissolve completely, infusing your laundry with freshness and softness. What we like? This option is eco-friendly and safe for babies, making it a conscious choice for families. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective scent booster that is kind to sensitive skin and the environment, consider this. It's ideal for households with young children or those prioritizing sustainable laundry practices. What people say. The scent lasts for weeks, even after drying and storing clothes in drawers. A little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts a long time. The beads dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue on clothes or in the machine. Number 2. Downy Unstopables Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Introducing Downy Unstopables, the laundry scent booster beads that elevate your fabrics. Experience a new level of freshness with every wash. These powerful beads infuse your clothes with a delightful scent that lasts. Enjoy a burst of freshness that stays with you all day long. Simply toss them into your washing machine before starting your load. It's an effortless way to enhance your laundry routine. Perfect for all your loads, from everyday wear to special fabrics. Get ready to fall in love with the scent of clean. Enjoy the invigorating fresh scent in this convenient 20.1 ounce size. It's the perfect addition to your laundry essentials. What we like. Enjoy a bold and invigorating scent that keeps your clothes smelling fresh for longer. If you love a strong, noticeable fragrance that makes a statement, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want their laundry to exude confidence and a powerful, clean aroma. What people say. The scent lasts for a very long time, even after drying and ironing. A little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts for many washes. The beads dissolve completely in the wash and don't leave any residue on clothes. Number 1. Downy Unstopables Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Introducing Downy Unstopables, the laundry scent booster beads that provide an unforgettable freshness to your clothes. Experience a scent that lasts long after the wash. Simply toss these beads into your washing machine before starting your load. They dissolve in the wash, infusing every fabric with a powerful, long-lasting scent. Unlike regular detergents, these scent boosters are designed to lock in fragrance. Enjoy a burst of freshness with every wear, from the first day to the last. Using them is as simple as adding them to your wash. Get ready for laundry that smells incredibly fresh and clean, load after load. Elevate your laundry routine with this amazing scent booster. It's the perfect way to ensure your clothes always smell their best, providing a delightful sensory experience. This convenient pack of 4 ensures you won't run out of your favorite scent anytime soon. Keep your laundry consistently fresh and inviting with this value pack. What we like. This multi-pack offers great value and ensures you always have your favorite scent on hand. If you do a lot of laundry and want a convenient way to maintain consistent freshness, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for busy households that appreciate bulk purchasing and reliable, long-lasting fragrance. What people say. The scent lasts for a very long time, even after drying and ironing. A little goes a long way, so the bottle lasts for quite a while. The beads dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue on clothes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.